Hi there. Are you battling with excessive oil production on your face, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne, or is your face darker than the other parts of your body? Worry no more. Because today I'm going to talk about face cream for instant glow. So come with me, let's talk about brightening face cream that will give you a lightening effect and also clear out pigmentation and control excessive oil production on your face. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for always being here. I am grateful. I am thankful for your support. So today I'm going to talk about face cream for instant glow. These face cream are going to brighten your face, to fade out pigmentation, dark spots, and give you a radiant face. So guys, the first face cream that I'm going to talk about is the Face Fact Wonder face cream. This face cream is for instant glow. It is a complexion reviver. It will smoothen your face, fade pigmentation and dark spots on your face. This Face Fact Wonder face cream will rejuvenate your complexion. It will give you a revived and healthy skin. This face cream is for those that are battling with excessive oil production on their face, those that have dark spots and pigmentation on their face. This face cream will fade out pigmentation. It will also clear out dark spot on your face. It will also control excessive oil production on your face. It's meant for all skin type and tone. It will boost your natural radiance because it contains a natural botanic extract. If you have been battling with excessive oil production, this Face Fat Wonder cream is the cream that you should go for. Just as the name implies, this is a wonder cream because it will do wonders on your skin. It will revive your dull looking skin. It will pop your face. This face cream, when used within 2 weeks, will give you a visible, bright and a glowing face. That is why I tagged this face cream instant glowing cream, because this Face Fat Wonder face cream is an instant glowing cream. It will help you to hydrate your skin. It will moisturize your face. It will also give you a youthful and fresh face. This face cream is especially formulated for all skin type, but if you have acne prone skin, you will benefit more from this face cream because it will help to control excessive oil production on your face. It contains a salicylic acid that will help with excessive oil production and also gently exfoliate you, thereby giving you a clean, healthy and a revived face. So if you are acne prone, you have excessive oil production on your face, please go for this Face Fat Wonder cream because it also contains a vitamin B3, that is niacinamide, that will also help to hydrate your skin. So please go for this Face Fact Wonder face cream and you will love it. So guys, the second face cream that I'm going to talk about today is the Clear Beauty Retinol and Collagen Day Cream. This Clear Beauty Retinol and Collagen Day Cream is infused with retinol and collagen. Now, the retinol will help to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It will help to reduce pigmentation on your face, giving you a youthful face. And then the collagen in this face cream will help with skin cell regeneration, which will therefore give you a youthful face. This Clear Beauty Retinol and Collagen Day Cream is in two formula. We have the day cream and we have the night cream. So you can use this one during the day, then you get the night cream to include that one in your night routine. This face cream is an anti-aging face cream because of the retinol in it. And I used to advise people of my age, where if you're of the age of 30 and above, I advise you to include retinol in your skincare regimen because retinol is an anti-aging product. It will help to fade fine lines and wrinkle, those sagging skin. It will help with skin elasticity. You will notice that when you include retinol into your skincare regimen, you will not have saggy skin, you will not have fine lines and wrinkle because the retinol will control all that. And then collagen will help with skin cell regeneration. It helps to produce new skin cell, which in which in turn gives you a radiant and a healthy looking youthful skin. So please, if you are from the age of 30 and above, I would advise you to go for this Clear Beauty Retinol and Collagen face cream. Note that this face cream is in two formula. We have the day cream and the night cream. I recently introduced this face cream to one of my friends. She just got only the day cream and she has thanked me up to 100 times since April that she got this cream. Her face is looking so soft and supple. She was having fine lines beneath her eyes and the corner of her face. Right now, those fine lines are fading off. She has been applying this face cream religiously and it is working for her. So please, if you're between the age of 30 and above, please go get this face cream because it will help you to fade fine lines and wrinkle. It is an anti-aging face cream. It will help to hydrate your skin. It will moisturize your skin. It will fade dark spot and pigmentation. It will clear dark marks on your face and scars. So please go for this face cream. This will lead me to another superb product from Clear Beauty. This one is the Clear Beauty with vitamin C and collagen. Now you know that vitamin C is big on brightening. So if you have really dull face, go for this Clear Beauty vitamin C with collagen face cream because it will restore your skin, it will revitalize your skin, and it will also brighten your skin. This Clear Beauty vitamin C and collagen face cream is a day cream. This cream will brighten your face, all thanks to the vitamin C that is in it. Then the collagen will help in skin cell regeneration, which will restore your natural complexion, help with skin cell production on your face, thereby giving you a young and a regenerated skin. This face cream will reduce dark spot, it will reduce wrinkle and pigmentation on your skin, it will brighten your skin. So if you're looking at brightening your skin, if your facial skin is darker than the other part of your body, I recommend that you go for this Clear Beauty vitamin C and collagen face day cream because it will brighten your face, it will give you a youthful glow. Thanks to the vitamin C for the brightening, then the collagen will help with skin cell regeneration that will give you a youthful and a revived skin. So go for these Clear Beauty face cream if you need a brightening effect on your face. Now the next face cream that I'm going to talk about is a Fade Out Pure Glow face cream. This Fade Out Pure Glow face cream is a multitasking face cream. This is a day face cream that is formulated to brighten the skin and tackle hyperpigmentation. It will help you to brighten your face. It will also help you to moisturize and hydrate your skin. It will tackle hyperpigmentation. It contains a stable form of vitamin C blended with vitamin E, niacinamide, and pink pomelo extracts. Now, these are really beautiful ingredients that will help to hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, fade dark spot, and make your skin to look supple. Fade Out Pure Glow face cream is an active blend that increases natural exfoliation and luminosity whilst providing SPF protection. It contains 15% SPF, so it is a good one. But this does not mean that you shouldn't use your sunscreen. Please, no matter what you're doing, even if you're using this Fade Out Pure face cream, you should still include your SPF, that is your sunscreen, in your routine. It's a very good cream. It contains a pomelo extract that helps to gently exfoliate your skin to give you a brightening effect. It also contains vitamin E that will help to hydrate your skin, and it is also an antioxidant. It contains vitamin C that will help to brighten your face, fight free radicals, help with collagen production, and also help with anti-aging properties. So this face cream is loaded. This Fade Out face cream is heavily loaded. It is a pure glow face cream that would help to give you a brightening and a beautiful face. And lastly, guys, the Muain acne face cream. This face cream is a face cream that controls excessive oil production on your face. It is a treatment face cream specially formulated for acne prone skin. Acne prone skin, say goodbye to all those if you start using this Muain acne face cream. This face cream is a wonder cream that contains very good active ingredients like lactic acid. It contains AHA, contains BHA, contains zinc and vitamin B6. It will help to transform your face. It helps you to control oil production on the face. It will moisturize your face and give you a smooth, young and clear face. This face cream is a very good face cream that will fade out fine lines and wrinkle. It will fade pigmentation and clear dark spots on your skin. It is a face cream that also contains salicylic acid that control excessive oil production on your face. It is a mild exfoliant also. So this face cream will mildly exfoliate your skin to open up your pores so as to control excessive oil production. This face cream also will help you to give you a brightening effect because of the vitamin C and the vitamin E that it contains. It will help you to fight the free radicals from the environmental pollutants that causes our face to be darker than the other parts of our body. This face cream will help to fight all those. It is a very fantastic face cream that I highly recommend any day, anytime, especially for those of us that have oily face and that have acne prone skin. It is a face cream that you should go for and you will really enjoy it. Now these are the face cream that I have for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so grateful. Note that if you do not use a sunscreen, all these things that I'm saying will not work. It will be as if you're pouring water in a basket. So please remember to use your sunscreen. Please, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. This is the right time for you to do so. And don't forget to like this video, share and leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so grateful. Do have a fantastic time. Bye.